Bullish Kadena cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.05 and $8.82 by 2030. Market experts accept KDA could reach $4.05 by 2025. Bearish Kadena market cost expectation for 2022 is 71 cents. Kadena presentation. The development and touchy development of the cryptographic money industry have been very problematic. Organizations and monetary associations won't ever continue as before. Notwithstanding, blockchain and crypto innovations are as yet sprouting, and a significant mechanical whole should be connected to consider the total and consistent reconciliation of crypto and blockchain innovation into all circles of the business world. In light of this whole, Kadena guarantees a blockchain innovation, on whose establishment the blockchain would upset how the world monetarily collaborates and executes business. What is Kadena? The thought behind the Kadena project was that the world required an innovative extension to interface the nearly alienated universes of business and blockchain. In light of this requirement for participation between the business and blockchain world, the designers of Kadena made a restrictive chain engineering that houses the essential devices and assets to make blockchain usable in business, as well as send the advantages of speed, versatility, and effectiveness. Sent off in 2016, Kadena is a divided and versatile Layer 1 proof-of-work organization. It utilizes the specific POW agreement system utilized by Bitcoin, guaranteeing security and computerized honesty while improving handling proficiency and adaptability. Before Kadena's development, adaptability for POW stages was unthinkable. Nonetheless, with its multi-chain plated design, Kadena places adaptability in POW frameworks. Kadena additionally guarantees more astute and more secure shrewd agreements through settlement. The programming language inside the Kadena biological system is intended to be reasonable to engineers and non-designers. The language, among different items, adds to the extravagance of the Kadena environment. Dissimilar to the Bitcoin organization, Kadena professes to be vastly versatile and guarantees the best stage to help blockchain coordination for organizations and worldwide monetary connections. Its mind-boggling rate and handling effectiveness little affect its energy utilization as the organization vows to keep up with its energy productive status even as handling and throughput extend. Kadena likewise makes it feasible for organizations to take the brunt of expenses installments from their clients through the production of crypto service stations which organizations can use to balance their clients' exchange charges. As Kadena planned, this eliminates a huge boundary to embracing blockchain and digital currencies for business. Kadena Basic Examination. Kadena is an extraordinary blockchain innovation that consolidates the POW agreement system and the coordinated non-cyclic chart plans to dispense with the traps of Bitcoin. With two separate agreements, Kadena can uphold unmatched handling on numerous blockchains working at the same time and non-concurrently. Versatility. Kadena guarantees a truly versatile stage with no throughput roof. The organization completed an effective live organization development of its public blockchain from 10 chains to 20 of every 2020. Capitalization. Kadena is as yet youthful, as is its market share. The market worth of the coin at present sits at $187,895,091. With expanded crypto reception and development of the Kadena environment, there is critical space for the worth of the blockchain to rise. Joint efforts to guarantee accessible ongoing information and safer savvy contracts. Kadena has teamed up with Profits Chainlink. Kadena is likewise working with USCF, a resource supervisor with more than $3 billion in resources. CoinMetro is likewise working with Kadena to carry new elements to its foundation and has coordinated KDA marking administration. Different organizations partaking in the cooperative endeavors of Kadena incorporate Focal Point, while Kadena partakes in the support of Goliaths like Binance and KuCoin, among others. Adaptable and secure. Kadena appreciates wonderful adaptability guaranteed by its particular plan, which joins the POW and DAG agreement. Furthermore, joining the two innovations guarantees first-class security and upgrades the adaptability of the organization. Kadena current cost. Kadena is right now worth 89 cents USD. KDA has moved 0.47% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,918,555. Kadena is right now positioned 126 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $187,895,091 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Kadena to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Kadena market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Kadena Value Expectation 2022. Kadena, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The KDA cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.35. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.26 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progression. KDA is supposed to have a base worth of $1.08. Kadena Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Kadena KDA cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of KDA will before long outperform $2.25. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the KDA's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, KDA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.80 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.98. Kadena Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.15 and KDA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. KDA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.88 and a low of $2.70 in 2024. Kadena Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Kadena effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the KDA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KDA will be green in 2025. The KDA is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $4.05, with a base cost of $3.60 and a typical cost of $3.78. Kadena Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the KDA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.68 by 2026, with a base cost of $4.50 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, KDA has a most extreme value worth of $4.95. Kadena Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.58. On the off chance that KDA figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $5.85. Neglecting to assemble the help KDA needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $5.40. Kadena Value Forecast 2028. While KDA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $6.30 and a yearly cost close above $6.75 in 2028. Kadena Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Kadena will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost